Hi, Sue Whale here, and I've got some tips on how to condition sweet peas, courtesy of the Floristry Trade Club. These beautiful sweet peas are from Holland. They smell gorgeous. This is how they've arrived from the wholesalers, so I'm going to unwrap them and show you how to condition them. They've been wrapped in this lovely fleece to protect them, and then they're in a plastic bag which is filled with gel to keep the stems hydrated while they're in transit. So I'm going to remove this bag, take a bunch out, and the gel is on the stem. Either rinse it under a tap, or I'm just going to rinse it in the water in this jug here and get rid of that gel. Then I'm going to cut the band off the stems and recut the stems. Now these are soft stems, so I'm going to use scissors and I'm going to cut them at an angle of 45 degrees. Then I've chosen a vase, the right size for the flowers, and because they're sweet peas and they have hairy stems, I've only filled the vase a third of the way up. This is because the hairs on the stems can encourage water to creep upwards into the flowers, and that can damage your flowers. So I'm going to put them into here. And then I'm going to do the same with these other two bunches as well. Couple of things to bear in mind with sweet peas. If you store them in cold conditions or in a chiller, that will reduce their fragrance. Also, don't spray or mist the flowers because water on the petals will mark the petals.
Like, comment and subscribe for more floristry tips and inspiration.